Teach's program is where girls come together, middle school girls, and they actually learn how to build an energy bike. An energy bike is basically a bicycle with a generator attached, and this generator then is attached to a board, and on the board we have incandescent light bulbs, compact fluorescent light bulbs, LED light bulbs, hair dryers, small appliances. But what students quickly learn and feel is when they get on the bicycle and they're starting to pedal and we turn that incandescent bulb on, it takes a lot of pedaling. The pedaling gets harder, takes a lot of energy. Compared to when that LED light bulb is turned on, then does not require as much energy or electricity for that bulb. But more than that, this is an opportunity where we want middle school girls to begin to see themselves in a science career. So we have an opportunity where they are learning new skills, they're learning connections and wiring and circuitry, and we spend 3 days with them and we teach them all these new skills. They are very confident at the end of the 3 days. We want today's girls to see themselves as career women in science-related careers.
I've actually learned quite a bit. I've learned how to strip wires and how to clamp wires and how to follow a map to build this circuit board.
I like working with all my friends instead of just one person.
My favorite part of the project is cutting the wires because I've never done that before, and it's really interesting learning new things.
My favorite part of the project is probably when we get to put everything together and it's kind of hard though, but it's fun.
I want to be a surgeon when I grow up.
I want to be a teacher and a dance teacher by night.
When I grow up, I want to be a famous soccer player, but then I want to be a lawyer because I think they're cool.
My family inspires me the most.
My mom and my dad, because they're both always there for me and stuff.
Teachers and my mom inspire me the most. I learned how leadership is important.
How to be an engineer and stuff, because how you have to connect all the wires and stuff.
Everybody working together instead of just doing it by yourself. I think that's one of the most important things I've learned throughout all of this.
When they came into it, they were just kind of oh, this is gonna be fun, we're gonna be in a hotel, but now I see that they're really seriously thinking about engineering and science and something that they can actually do, and I feel that they've built their confidences. We have really blossomed from this and been able to see that, hey, something this complicated, look, we can work as a team and this is something that we can do.